Maybe you've been using Vivid to snag those sweet cashback rewards on everyday purchases. But what if that rainy day comes, and you need some cold, hard cash in your hand? Can you simply withdraw money from Vivid whenever you want? The short answer, yes, with a few things to keep in mind. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Vivid money withdrawals, exploring your options, fees, and some sneaky tricks to maximize your take-home cash. So, buckle up, finance friends, because knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your moolah. Before we dive in, understanding Vivid. Vivid isn't your typical bank. It's a financial management app that offers features like a debit card, cashback rewards, and budgeting tools. Think of it as a supercharged debit card with some cool extras. This means there are some slight differences in how withdrawals work compared to a traditional bank account. The withdrawal lowdown, your Vivid options. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Here are the main ways you can withdraw money from your Vivid account. ATMs, this is the classic method. You can use your Vivid debit card at any ATM displaying the Visa or MasterCard logo. However, there's a catch. Vivid charges a fee for ATM withdrawals. We'll explore those fees in a sec. In-store cashback, this might be a new one for you. Certain retailers offer a service called cashback with purchase. Basically, you can withdraw a small amount of cash, usually around $20 to $50, when you pay for your groceries or other items at participating stores. It's a convenient way to grab some cash without hitting the ATM, but again, there might be a fee involved depending on the store's policy. Bank transfers, this option isn't as immediate as the others, but it can be useful for transferring larger sums to your regular bank account. Vivid offers free bank transfers within the Eurozone, but there might be fees for international transfers. The fee factor, how much does it cost to withdraw? Now, let's talk about the not-so-fun part, fees. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. ATM withdrawals, Vivid charges a €2.50 fee for each ATM withdrawal outside of Germany. Within Germany, the first ATM withdrawal per month is free, with a €2.50 fee for subsequent withdrawals. In-store cashback, fees for in-store cashback vary depending on the retailer. Always check the store's policy before opting for this method. Bank transfers, Vivid offers free bank transfers within the Eurozone, but international transfers might incur fees. Always double-check the specific fees before initiating a transfer. Pro tips for savvy withdrawals. Alright, so there are some fees involved. But fear not, frugal friends. Here are some tips to minimize the impact on your wallet. Plan your withdrawals. Instead of hitting the ATM every other day, try to plan your withdrawals strategically. Maybe withdraw a larger amount once a week to avoid multiple €2.50 charges. Embrace in-store cashback when it makes sense. If you're already shopping at a store that offers in-store cashback and the fee is minimal, it can be a convenient way to grab some cash without an ATM stop. Consider a Vivid Prime subscription. Vivid offers a premium subscription called Vivid Prime that includes one free ATM withdrawal per month outside of Germany. If you find yourself withdrawing frequently, this might be a cost-effective option. Explore alternatives. For larger transfers, consider using a peer-to-peer payment service like Revolut or TransferWise, which often offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional bank transfers. The takeaway, stay in control of your cash. While Vivid offers some flexibility for withdrawing your money, it's important to be mindful of the fees involved. By understanding your options, planning your withdrawals, and exploring alternative solutions, you can ensure you're getting the most out of your hard-earned cash. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your finances. So, keep these tips in mind, and you'll be a Vivid withdrawal whiz in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially fit.